guys, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to unlock the passcode and the FRP on Oppo A31 by using UnlockTool. And exactly the first time we need to check the platform of the Oppo. You need to go to the browser and go to the Google and type Oppo A31, and then you have to navigate to this website gsmarina.com. select on it, and then you have to scroll down to see the platform of the Oppo right here, and the chipset is MediaTek NT6765 VCB Helio P3512WM. This is the type of the chipset of the Oppo A31, and then you have to go to the unlock tool, and then you need to choose the MediaTek right here, select on it, and then you need to look down and select on format data, and there are three options here. First option is by recovery, the second write file, the third one quick format. And alright, in this video I choose the first one, that is called by recovery. Select on it, and you need to check on erase FRP, because when we are doing the format data, we can also erase the FRP while we doing the format data. So just select on it, and then you need to turn off the phone, turn it off, and then you need to hold volume up and down together and plug the USB in. Okay, so let's go up, down, and plug the USB in. Sorry. Alright, and then let go of the keys, and the process is working. Alright, we have already format the data and also erase the FRP at the same time. And then you have to unplug the phone, and the phone will automatically reboot to the recovery and start to format the data automatically. So it may take about 5 minutes or 10 minutes to boot to the menu, and I need to skip this step, and then I will come back again when the phone reboot to the menu. Alright, that's it. And then you need to set up the phone.